Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting, and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO, and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business? So then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the have of dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skills that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage, or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have? Then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model, or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects. And along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm going to review a financial modeling course and investment banking course by Financial Edge. Okay, so the course name is Micro Degree, the Investment Banker. Okay, so if we deep dive into this course, so you will be learning the skills related to the accounting, financial modeling, company evaluation, interview, and super day preparation, and real world case studies. Okay, so in this particular course, you will be getting 60 hours of recorded videos, 49 topics that will be covering, 355 practical exercises, 4 exam, and 9 CPE credits. Okay. So if we talk about like what all they are going to cover in this entire course, like what will be the curriculum. So the first chapter that you'll be going through will be the accountant. Okay, so wherein you'll be spending about 13 hours of time on 11 topics, and you'll be doing 101 practical exercises and one exam you'll be going through. Yes, and then coming to the next module. So in this, you'll be spending about 12 hours of time on 6 topics, 66 practical exercises, one exam, and CPE credits will be available to you. Then coming to the next module, so that will be known as the valuer or CPE. So in this, again, you'll be spending about 12 hours, 6 topics, 70 practical exercises, one exam, and 3.5 CPE credits will be available to you. Okay. So then coming to the next module, so here you'll be spending about 9 hours on 6 topics, 54 practical exercises, one exam, 3.5 CPE credits will be available to you. And in this, you'll be learning about margin analysis, cash deal, margin and model, synergy analysis, earnouts, leverage buyout, acquisition finance, debt capacity. Okay. So then coming to the next module, investment banking case study. So here you'll be spending about 10 hours of time on 64 practical exercises. Okay. So these are the details related to that exercises. So then coming to the next interview skills and the job interview skills, super day skills, all of these things that you'll be learning in this course. Okay. So all of these things, the curriculum and everything will be available for a fee of 23,229 rupees. Okay. So this course is going to be a self-paced learning course. So if we look at if they are providing any kind of placement or any internship opportunity in this, so they have not mentioned anything about the placement support. So let me check if they are covering anything related to the internship. So they are not covering anything related to the internship, although they will be helping you to build some the mock interview skills, or like you'll be going through some resume building kind of sessions. You'll be provided with the access to those kind of videos, but they will not be providing any kind of live kind of assistance in terms of the placement or internship. Okay. So now I'm going to review this course based on certain parameters which are listed on the left. So if we talk about the course depth, so that it is going to be a good course. So Excel skills that you'll be learning in this course. Live sessions will not be there. Live doubt session will not be there. Placement support, internship supports are missing in this course. Course fee will be good. Course duration will be good. Money back guarantee, they have not specifically talked about. LMS access you'll be getting for the lifetime. Okay. So based on these parameters, so this course has scored 5 out of 10. So in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of financial modeling or investment banking, I can suggest a better financial modeling and investment banking course, okay, which basically comes with a complete package which covers all the aspects that you expect from any financial modeling or investment banking course. Okay, I'm going to provide the details related to that particular course in the description box. Okay, please check that out in case you need any kind of further assistance from my end. So feel free to ping in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching the video.